Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find friend requests on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon here, and now here you will find friend requests. As you see here, that's how to find friend requests, easy and quick. And here you can manage who can send you a friend requests. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.